Oh, ma'am, your shoes.
Oh, sorry.
Hey, let's go ahead and strip off that belt too while we're at it, huh? You have any piercings you want me to know about? Anything else?
All right. I'm really late for my flight.
Ma'am, why don't you just step on through and we'll see if you set off the machine.
Thank you.
No, not so fast. Ma'am, I'm gonna have to ask you to step over to the wanding area, please.
Fuller, why?
Well, you never know. Oh,
You just waved the wand over your tie clip.
no, I did not.
Yes, you did.
Well, I am keeping an eye on you.
Wow. You let guys like that work here?
Yes, they let that guy be my boss.
Thank you for pissing off your boss for me.
Oh, yeah, please, anytime. Well, Molly. Boarding pass.
Oh, thanks. Kirk.
Lock doors and cross-check.
Dude, cut it a little closer, why don't you?
Hey, I think I lost my iPhone. I left it in security.
Oh, here, calm down. I'll call it.
Hello?
Who's this?
I don't know. Might be the guy with the new iPhone. Who's this?
I don't know. Might be your worst fucking nightmare.
Hi. Sorry. Hello? Thank God you have my phone. My name is Molly McLeish.
I remember you very well. What gate are you at? I'll run it right over.
You know what? We're actually pushing back right now.
Excuse me. You're not supposed to be on your phone. It's bad for the plane.
Oh, I'm sorry. Are you a plane doctor? No? So shut the fuck up.
I'll tell you what. I'll just leave it at Lost and Found for you. How about that?
Would you just hold on to it for me? I'm coming back tomorrow. I'm an event planner. I'm having this party at the Warhol Museum. We could meet there.
Yes, no, of course. I know exactly where that is. It's actually right on my way home from work.
Sir?
She's talking on her phone.
Dude, go shit in your hand.
I have to go.
Tonight's the night, Kirky.
No, Devin, tonight is just a night where I return some lost property to a fellow human being.
Come on, man. You gotta be positive. It's exciting. I mean, the night's full of possibilities. I can almost smell them.
Man.
You know, this reminds me of
What's that?
the moment when Aladdin went to meet Princess Jasmine.
What?
You're like the street urchin, and this is the palace.
Okay, so then what does that make you?
I'm the genie.